Welcome back, students. In computer science, we are doing MS Word, and today's activity is about MS Word. And we all understood and well known, and in the earlier classes, we have also completed the MS Word chapter as well. And in this computer practical series, we are only going to do some of the basic things that we have earlier do, and some of the new thing we are going to learn in this session. So without wasting time, we will going to continue the MS Word. So for MS Word, we have to select the start button, and we can also go directly with the Microsoft Word. In my system, I have a Microsoft Word 2007. So it is why it is used. It is using for the creation and editing the professional looking documents, letters, papers, etc. So you can make the documentation here by clicking all programs. You can go directly with the Microsoft Office, and in Microsoft Office you are going to select the MS Word. Okay, as you see here, you are watching the here first is a title. Here you are watching the first is title and the menu bar and the tool, and this is called the quick access toolbar. This is your title bar, and this is going to minimize, maximize and close button, and this thing is called, the whole thing is called a ribbon, and this is your ruler, and this is your where your cursor is blinking. This is your, this part is your insertion point, and next you are watching here is this kind of ruler. So this is a vertical scroll bar. This is the vertical scroll bar, and this is your ruler. Okay, and next this is the thing where is blinking the cursor is called the insertion point, and the whitish thing, the white paper you are watching in your screen is your document window, and in the last if there is a paper that is not visible here, the horizontal scroll bar, otherwise you will see the horizontal tool scroll bar as well. And in the last we have the status bar, and status bar is telling about the page, words and the language selected. And here we are watching the view buttons, which kind of view mode we want to see it, and this is the view button is doing. And next we have is the zoom. Here you are watching the zoom. Okay, I will leave it as it is. Okay, so it is all the introduction you must know about the Microsoft Word. If you want to create a new document, you can select from here by clicking on a new button, and if you want to open the older existing document, then you will click on the open button. And if you want to save it, your document with your file, then you can click on save. I am saving by my name, and it is saved in desktop, and I will save it. And if this is your Word document kind of file, so I am saving it as it is. So here you are watching, the title is visible, is file name with the docs docx extension with the MS Word. Okay, next we have is, we are writing here hello world. By selecting here, press left button and drag it and drop it, Next, if you want to make the cut it, then you can cut it, and you want to place it somewhere else, so you can paste it there. You can also do make copy of a file by clicking the Ctrl C as well, and as well as by writing right click on the dialog is visible. By right click, you are watching here is a cut, copy paste as well, and you can copy it and you can paste where you want it, and you can also paste like this, and also paste like this. You can also cut like this and paste here like this. Okay, next is here we have format printer. Select the your text first, make it bold, make it color, and if you want the format printer, if you want something change in your text and you don't want to select or format it again and again, so you will select on this button, and by clicking on this you can change it as well. Okay, next we have is changing the font face. By clicking the writing style, you can change the writing as well. You all are aware about the language. You have also used the MS Word as well. Next we have is the size of the font is make it bigger, make it like this, and you can also make it lessen from here, and increase the size. Okay. Here is a bold, here is the italic, and this is your so first select the text and then click on the bold, click on the italic. By clicking on underline, it is giving us results. Next, if I am selecting first text and go into the next option is strike through, this is going to strike out your whole text. Okay, next if you want to express some mathematical expression, so how it is possible? By we are using superscript by and subscript, and this is the example of subscript. It is selecting the base by subscript. You can also write it like this by selecting the text first. Then you want to the superscript, and this is the base value, this is the power value will be shown. Next we have is the cases, that is sentence case. This is the sentence case, and this is the lower case, and this is the upper case, and this is the capitalized each word. So just suppose I am writing like this. Okay, I'm writing this, changing the case. Okay, let us talk about the list type in the MS Word. So I am taking one example as a list. I am creating the list like computer, hardware, and software application. Okay. And so this is my list, and I want to make a kind of list here with the using bullets. Otherwise you can use here with the numbering, otherwise you can also give the multi-level list. So first in the bullets you can use the bullets like this. You can select, you have to first select it and then go in the kind of so here is creating your sub level of list. Otherwise you can also make the list kind of this according to your need. Okay, next we have is the intent. So what is intent is doing? So it is increasing the intent, it is decreasing the intent. And next, what is in the next, if we want our text alignment, okay, if we want to move our text with the left, it is always as a default is a left. Otherwise you can make it left, middle, right and justify. Okay, and what we want in the middle, we want in the middle the line spacing between the lines, how much we space we need between the text and the lines. So we can also increase it, can also decrease it. Okay, next we have the theme color. We can also change the theme color as well. And next we have is the A to Z. So what we do selecting some of the paragraphs, some of the text we want it in a ascending or a descending order, and then press on OK. So it is in a to Z method. Next we have is border and shadings. Okay, next we have, I'm giving the example of the new sheet. I'm taking in border and shading, and in border and shading I'm selecting the kind of border is here, the border style I'm selecting first, and then clicking on the color, I'm selecting the color kind and how much width I want, and I'm selecting this. You can also change the setting like from here and go to OK. And page border, what we want, if I want the page border like this, and the color like this, and the width one. And so if I want it on a whole document, then I will press, otherwise in the new session apply it. Kind of styles used in the word, and I'm tapping here, I'm selecting first and go to the normal. So it is going to the normal and without space it is using. So this is the kind of heading, this is the kind of the heading kind 2, and this is the heading kind 3, 4, 5, 6, and you can also apply some of the changes, and some of the styles is given here like this and this. You can change from here to here, you can change for some of the themes colors and the style from just the writing. And next we have is the find and replace. Okay, if I want to find the word is hello, okay, I want to find the word is hello, so I will click first in the find first, and I will find it and go to in a find next. Then first it is highlighted the hello word, and then next and next and next, and it will find until it just come into the end. And in the last you will see the message, the word has finished searching the document. Okay, then it has been completed the searching and finished the searching part in the whole document, and we have only the these kind of hello available. And okay, if we want want to replace this hello word with the good morning, okay, with the good morning, so what we'll do, we will good morning, otherwise you can also write good afternoon. Okay, so this is the good afternoon, and then you can also replace it one, and otherwise you can replace the all. Okay, the word has completed its search of the document and made the 7th placement. So it is making the 7th placement here. Next option is here is a go to. In the go to, what we do, we can also go in the first page, we can also go in the last page. If we have last page, we can also write the page number here. Otherwise we can also go in the section wise, we can type the section number, and otherwise we can type the line. So it is going to highlight the, and it is making the cursor on the that it is making the insertion part here in the line 3rd. And you can make the bookmark, comment on it, and footnote make it, and go to the next. Okay, so it is the work of the find and replace. And the next we have is a select. You can select by selecting on the select and the select all. Otherwise you can also select the object and any text with a similar formatting. Otherwise the another method is you can also click on the control button and make the selection like this. Okay, otherwise you can select the shift button, and also with the shift you can press the left or right kind of cursor. Okay, otherwise you can make it the down cursor and up cursor. This is the down cursor, this is the right, this is the up cursor. Okay, so this is the work of the, I am pressing here the shift button with the arrow key. Next we have is the insert. In the insert we will do main things is like we can create the table here. Okay, we can also format the table here. You can also insert the picture. So I want to insert the picture, I can also format my picture as well. And if I want to create a clip art, I can also click on the clip art as well and go to the search and select the clip art, and I can also change the clip art feature, some of the borders, some of the shapes. Okay, so this is all does happened in the Word document. And so you have been also used in the earlier classes in the Word. And we can also create the shape. You can fill the shape, you can fill the inside and outside, and you can also change the shape and some of the thing that you can put the effects here and give the some of the make it a bigger and smaller. So just changing the all those values, then rotate it, align it. And next we have is insert with the shape. You can also directly insert the shape in the document, and give the shape. And next we have is the smart art. In the smart art you can also create some of the shapes like this. You can add the image here, you can add the text here, writing here, hardware, here is the software, here is the CPU, and you can also add the image here. And yet another image available in the system, so that's why I'm clicking here like this. Next we have is the chart. You can also create a chart on the basis of your table. And okay, so this is the thing that you can create in your chart. Okay, next you can also make the word art. Word art you can type my name, and you can okay, and you can create the word art also. And you can change also the word art. Okay, so you can also make the text box. Click on the text box, you can type here, and by clicking on the text box and changing the number top of the page, you can also change the write the page number as well. Otherwise you can add the header in the header. The header you are typing the my name, and you do and if you want to, you're watching the footer. In the footer you are typing the footer name, Google. It is okay. What is here you are seeing in each and every page? Here is the header content. Okay, here in the similar happened in the case of footer. It is in the case of a header, it is the top of the page. In the case of footer, it will be the down or bottom of the document. So today we have done the activity regarding the MS Word. So if you want to save it, then you can also go with the quick access bar, and you can also create a new document, open document, save and save as. And first, if you want to save it, then save as, and with the document Word, it is a Word document, and with the file name, my name, and my name is 1, and next we have is save button. Okay, you can save like this, and you can also open some of the files here. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you have understand it as well, and thank you so much for your time, and have a great day.